Welcome guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm stopping by to show you how to make banana chocolate chip walnut loaves, and they're super easy to make. All you're going to need are the ingredients as pictured here. You're going to need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and your teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have a cup of chocolate chips, which I do use the Nestle Toll House for all of my baking needs. Half of a cup of walnuts. You're going to need a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Your egg must be at room temperature, guys. And go ahead and use 1 full cup of granulated sugar if you're going to be using salted butter like I am. These are 6.5 tablespoons of salted butter. If you use unsalted, go ahead and use just 3/4 cup of the granulated sugar, and that should be sufficient. Of course, you cannot forget the Pam or the Baker's Joy. Any nonstick spray should work. Great Value works just as fine as well, but Pam is my go-to besides Baker's Joy. You're also going to need 3 overripe bananas. These are perfect for this type of banana nut bread, but you can also make them cookies and other things as well. I do have another video amongst here on how to make just a regular banana nut bread, but I'm stepping it up this time, adding in chocolate chips as well. So we're going to go ahead and begin by adding our ingredients into the stand mixer. If you do not have a stand mixer, you're more than welcome to just whisk by hand. That's okay too, or use your handheld mixer. So I'm going to begin by adding in my butter and my sugar to go ahead and mix. Okay, I'm going to add in my butter along with the sugar to go ahead and incorporate together there. All right, and go ahead and mix. Go ahead and add in your teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, your ingredients should look something like this. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl just a couple times to get all of the ingredients together. All right, so I'm just going to add in my cinnamon and then go ahead and mix that. Okay, next you want to go ahead and just break up the bananas. Go ahead and add in your room temperature egg. Okay, so I'm going to add in my teaspoon of the following: baking powder and baking soda in with my flour, and I'm just going to give this a good whisk and then incorporate those ingredients in half into my mixing bowl here. Now this, I would completely recommend that you set to a low speed at first because it's going to just go everywhere. So that's good enough, and go ahead and blend on the lowest speed at first. Once it's incorporated, you can go ahead and speed up. All right, ready to incorporate the second half of the flour. And this smells delicious already. I do recommend that you make this at home, or if you're looking for something different, feel free to check out my other dessert recipes within my channel. There's something for everyone. There are plenty of cookie recipes, other desserts that I'm sure you'll enjoy at home. Alright, so I'm just going to give this a final blend and then go ahead and incorporate my walnuts and the chocolate chips. You're more than welcome to use pecans instead of walnuts if you like. Whatever you prefer, but this is what we like here. So this is what I'm just going to be adding. Now, by now, the oven is preheating to 350 degrees. And you will want to bake this loaf for 55 minutes in the oven. Alrighty guys, so I'm ready to go ahead and bake my loaf for just 55 minutes at 350 degrees. So we'll be back then. Alrighty guys, and our loaf is fresh out of the oven. You'll know that it's ready when that toothpick comes out clean, just like this. So just allow it to cool before cutting it in slices to enjoy. And we'll allow it to cool before cutting. Okay guys, so the banana nut bread has completely cooled. So you can definitely enjoy this with coffee, hot chocolate, chocolate milk, whatever you would like. But it's really a really fun dessert to make for the entire family. This is usually our go-to when ordering from Starbucks, if not the cream cheese Danish, which by the way I do have listed within my channel. So be sure to check that out. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's a perfect treat that I'm sure you can add in like pumpkin seeds to it, or add in, make it like a cream cheese, banana loaf, whatever you would like. But be sure to check out other recipes listed within my channel that I'm sure you'll enjoy as well. That being said, I do hope that you like this recipe, and definitely subscribe and stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.